Welcome dear students to today's session of Summit for Max. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. Today we are going to see the continuation of yesterday's session. Here we have a problem dx by x into 1 plus log x the whole square. Limits are 1 to e. Let us substitute t is equal to 1 plus log x. So dt is equal to 1 by x into dx. When x is equal to t is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1, we get t is equal to 1. Substituting these values in I, we get integral of 1 to 2. The lower limit is 1 and the upper limit changes to 2. dt by t cube. So we can write it as t to the power of minus 3 dt, integration of which is t to the power of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. Limits are 1 to 2. We get minus 1 by 2, which can be brought out into 1 by t squared within the limit 1 to 2. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 squared, which is 4, minus 1 by 1 squared, which is 1. Now simplifying, we get minus half into minus 3 by 4. So 3 by 8 is the answer. The next problem for today's session is integral minus 1 to 1 2x plus 3 into dx by x squared plus 3x plus 7. Let us substitute t is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 7. dt is equal to 2x plus 3 into dx. When x is equal to minus 1, we get t is equal to minus 3 plus 7, which will give 5. That is 8 minus 3, 5. So when x is equal to 1, we get t is equal to 1 square plus 3 plus 7, which is equal to 11. Now let us substitute these values in I. So I is equal to integral, lower limit is 5 and upper limit is 11, dt by t, the integration of which is log of t within the limit 5 to 11. So we get log 11 minus log 5, which can be written as log of 11 by 5. The next problem is integral 0 to pi by 2 root of 1 plus cos x into dx. We know that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos squared x minus 1, which implies 2 cos squared x is equal to cos 2x plus 1. So here in the problem we have 1 plus cos x. So taking half angle formula, we get 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos squared x by 2. Let us substitute this value in I. The limit doesn't change here. So 0 to pi by 2 root of 2 into cos squared x by 2 into dx. In the next step, let us bring root 2 out. We get integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos x by 2 into dx. Square and square root cancels. So we get root 2 into sine x by 2 by 1 by 2. Limits 0 to pi by 2. So next step we get 2 root 2 into sine of, in place of x, the upper limit is pi by 2 already. So we get pi by 2 into 2, which is pi by 4, minus sine 0. The lower limit is 0. Value of sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus sine 0 is 0. So we get 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2, which is 2. That's the answer. Last problem for today's session is integral 1 to 2 x minus 1 by x squared into dx. So I is equal to integral 1 to 2 x by x squared minus 1 by x squared into dx, which can be written as integral 1 to 2 1 by x minus 1 by x squared can be written as x to the power of minus 2 into dx. Integral 1 to 2 dx by x minus integral 1 to 2 x to the power of minus 2 into dx. Here we have two parts of integration. The first part is integrated as log x within the limits 1 to 2. Second part is x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 within the limits 1 to 2. Substituting the limits, we get log 2 minus log 1 minus of the minus 1 in the denominator. So we get plus here into, substituting the upper limit, we get 2 to the power of minus 1 minus 1 to the power of minus 1. The last step, we get log 2 minus log 1 is 0. So plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So which can be simplified as log 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is the final answer. Hope the session was interesting. For much more, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.